So we'll get right into probably the hot topic of the week, which is ABC disposal. I was wondering if you can give an update. It seems like they're not as many complaints as there were when we last talked.
Well, the complaints have dropped a great deal over the last week and a half or so. I think on the first day there were over 900 ticketed receptacles, and last I looked, there were fewer than 50 a day. So, as we discussed before, we told ABC that we'd be keeping a close eye on what they were rejecting and whether they were telling people the basis of the rejection. They weren't really doing that for a while, and I think they are. It seems like it's gotten better. How much better, it's hard to know, but the complaints have certainly gone down. Where it is right now is it's still in court. The city has filed a motion to dismiss their case, just about all of the case, not quite all of it, but everything but a couple of technical counts of their complaint. And our argument is that there's no case here. ABC signed a contract to provide a service, namely to pull away to collect our garbage and our recycling materials, and they agreed to do it for a fee, and period. And their costs have gone up as a result of this policy that the Chinese government has imposed on imported recyclables. But that was the risk they bore when they signed the contract. They didn't ask for a contract that would allow them to absorb those costs and pass them on to the city. Some municipal waste haulers around the country sign contracts like this, but ABC instead wanted the certainty of having a flat fee contract, more or less, and with that comes certain risks. And it's not like I'm unsympathetic to their plight at all, but it's clear that the company's not going out of business. They just their owner, Mike Camara, said that the company's fine financially, and they just opened up a brand new facility in Rochester for which they got financing. They wouldn't have gotten a loan from a bank if they were on the brink of going out of business. So, look, I get it, but I feel sorry that they're not as profitable as they anticipated under this contract. But I'm not about to go ask taxpayers in our city who work very hard for their money to cough up more so that ABC can become more profitable. So we'll see what the judge does with the motion to dismiss, and it's in their hands now.
Are they on a long-term contract, or is it just a one-year contract, year to year?
No, it's a 10-year contract, and we're 3 years into it at this point.
So you got 7 more years you have to live up to this contract then?
They have 7 more years that they have to perform under the contract for the fee that they agreed to.
Okay, so we'll keep people updated on the ABC update as the weeks go.
Yeah, can I just add one more thing, Mike? Again, if you think that you've been unfairly sanctioned by ABC, and I've said this before, but it bears repeating. If you think they've rejected your card on a basis that's illegitimate, right? We've heard some instances of this. Let us know. Or if they put a sticker on your cart and they don't tell you why it was rejected, let us know that as well, and we'll keep on them. In general, I'd say this. We do want that which is supposed to be recycled in the recycling bin, and we want trash in the trash bin, and we want that to do that as faithfully as possible. And so if you have something that you're not sure about, you can go to the city's website, you can go to ABC's website, you can go to the Mass Department of Environmental Protection's website and figure out whether it fits. And if you still doubt whether it should go in, then leave it out. Throw it in your trash bag and put it in the trash bin.